welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. So I'm all set and I'm going out to buy something for my best friend, and we are celebrating Friendship's Day today. Today's 2nd of August, and I know that we are a little late to celebrate, but we had a mini celebration yesterday and today, since both of us are free and we thought to celebrate it today, so I am quickly heading out to buy something for her and also to buy something for myself. So yeah, that's all about today. We will be celebrating Friendship's Day, and also I will be showing you all what I'm buying for her, where I'm going and what I'm doing throughout the day. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how my day looks like, stay tuned and keep on watching. Before we move further into the vlog, let me quickly tell you all about one product that I'm loving these days in my morning skincare routine. I am a big promoter of vitamin C. As you all know, it is great source of antioxidant. It helps with reducing hyperpigmentation. It works on dark spots, gives you brighter and even toned skin. The product that I'm talking about is from Lotus Botanicals, and it is their vitamin C skin brightening day cream. The best part of this product, apart from having vitamin C, is that it comes with SPF of 25, which is great, and you save on that extra step and time in applying sunscreen. This is a lightweight and fast absorbing gel cream formula that helps fade away pigmentation and blemishes and makes your skin radiant, younger and firmer. You can use this day cream daily after cleansing your face. Another great thing about this product is that it is 100% cruelty free and vegan, and I'm enjoying using this product in my morning skincare routine. You can check out this product, the link is in the description, and now let's just continue with the vlog. So now I've come to this Puma store. This is a standalone store and this is open till 4 o'clock. So that is the best part. Rest mall and everything is shut, so I cannot really go anywhere else to buy something. And I come here very frequently and buy something or the other for my workout. So just checking out the new stock, and I need to buy tracks and t-shirts. So I managed to buy something for me and for my best friend, and you'll be seeing what I've got later in this vlog. So let me reach home and I'll show you all what I've got. I was passing by Miniso and I realized that I have to buy few stuff from Miniso, and I'm entering this store after so many months and I'm super excited to see what they have new. These cotton pads are my most favorite, and this is the reason I always enter the store and end up buying so many other stuff. Seeing all the products was making me so happy. I can see a lot of new launches like these accessories, hair accessories and masks. I love their diaries. I have couple of them, and also these planners look super cute. This pink one definitely caught my attention, and I asked the sales guy to open and show me all. This is a weekly planner, and then these organizers from Miniso are really great. I have couple of them and they're very useful and affordable as well. This organizer to keep your earrings is really cool and very affordable. Do check it out. I ended up buying couple of stuff and I'm super excited to share it with you all. Stay tuned till the end of the vlog and let me reach home and I'll be sharing it with you all what I've got from Miniso. I'm back now and I've bought little something, and I'm super excited for everything that I've got. You must have seen already in the clips, and I will be showing you all in detail what I got from Miniso. And now let's go. It's time to eat some cake or cupcakes. I don't know what she has got for me, but yeah, I'm super excited. Also, my Friendship's Day gift that I personally forced my husband to buy is already here, and I can't wait to show you all. I'm super excited for that as well. It's time to have some yummy food, and since it is a cheat day, we ordered whatever we like. So we called for a pizza, some Chinese fries and Coke, and we really enjoyed the food. Also, these mini cupcakes from Theobroma, these are their Friendship's Day special. We have individual cupcake boxes so that we can enjoy ourselves, and all different flavors, and these were super yum. I wish you could taste these cupcakes. They were delicious. So it's almost 7 in the evening and we had a great time today. We had some yummy food and those mini cupcakes were so delicious. Since I'm free now, I thought to share it with you all what I got from Puma and Miniso. Also, I'll be sharing it with you all what I got for Friendship's Day. I'm really excited. I love giving gifts and I also love receiving gifts. So yeah, this Friendship Day was really special. And starting with this, what I'm wearing, my best friend got me this tie and dye t-shirt. I absolutely love it. This is so much in trend, so comfy. It is a crop t-shirt t-shirt, and I absolutely love it. Also, one more thing that she got me is very useful for me. I'll show you all in a minute. So yeah, she got me 2 ear cuffs. Now I'll show you how they look like. They are gorgeous and I can't wait to style them. This is how the ear cuffs looks like. I'll quickly wear it and show you all. This is how it looks like. So gorgeous and looks so nice. And this is how the other one looks like. I absolutely love it. And obviously you're not supposed to wear both at the same time. I just wore it to show you all. You'll be seeing me wearing this multiple times in my videos and photos now. Now let me show you all what my husband gifted me for this Friendship's Day. So a day before Friendship Day, I just shared him a picture that if you're planning to gift me anything, you can gift me this. So I was just giving him hints and he was like, why, what are we celebrating Friendship's Day, like exchanging gifts and all? So I was like, no, from this year we are doing everything. So just saying, if you want to give me a gift, you can give me that. So he was very sweet enough. He placed the order right away and the gift is here with me and I am again very excited. It is gorgeous. Also he gifted me this pendant from the same brand last week, and the one that I got now, I wanted to get both of these together, but then I was like, I can skip it also, like maybe a little later I'll buy. Since it was Friendship's Day, I thought might as well get another pendant. So this is what I got. This is my initial M and this is how it looks like. Super dainty, so pretty. I am a sucker of dainty neck pieces from 21 Jewels. You can check them on Instagram. They have some amazing dainty neck pieces, also bracelets and earrings. Now I'll show you all what I've got for myself from Puma. So since I'm working out daily these days, I am in a need of new clothes because new clothes always keep you motivated. So what I've got for myself are a few t-shirts and tracks. So I've got one black track pants, and black is a very safe color, so I got this one. Like, it is a plain black with golden detailing on the knee. For 2 t-shirts, the first one is this, again a black color, Puma written here, basic, fits me perfectly. And since I like the print, I got another t-shirt like a different color in the same print, and this is how it looks. This one I liked more because it's white and it has that neon pop of pink. I love pink color. Also, why I got this one is because of this tracks. I got this tracks from Puma again. This is so Barbie like color. This is so bright and it has Puma written here with this again bright color. When I saw it and I was like, I want to buy this one, so I got this. To match a t-shirt with this, I got this Titan pink t-shirt, so it will go really well with this one. And then with my black, I got this black t-shirt. So these are the 4 things that I got from Puma. For my best friend, I got a track and a t-shirt. And then I'll show you all what I got from Miniso. Today was an amazing day. I shopped a bit, I had a good time, had good food, good conversation with my friend, and yeah, what else you need. So basically I went to Miniso to buy these cotton pads. This is my staple. I always get this pink cotton pads, very affordable. But whenever I enter the store, I always end up buying more stuff. I got this pack of 3 tissues. Is again something very basic. I get both of these from Miniso all the time. But what extra I got from Miniso is this jewelry holder. Now since I have bought so many rings and neck pieces, I need something to store. So this jewelry storage is really nice. It has a lid also, so I can keep all my dainty pieces and it is, you know, secure like that. Miniso has some amazing, really cool storage. Jewelry pieces or basic makeup storage, you can definitely check them out. And the last product I got is super cute. I got this adorable planner. Now this is so cute. Again, my vibe pink is something that I love and that's why I bought it. So this is basically a weekly planner. So yeah, that's pretty much it, what I got and what I received, and I'm super happy. We celebrated Friendship Day in real after so many years. Like, we haven't done any big celebration on Friendship's Day, but I think times are really tough. We all are stuck at home and we don't really get to enjoy or go out or spend time with your friends and family. Obviously you cannot go out, So yeah, today was a great day. Now it's almost 7:30 and I go ahead, maybe I'll edit a video that needs to go up tomorrow on Instagram. And a couple of brand parcels I need to work on them. So maybe I'll quickly film a skincare video or maybe I'll edit. So yeah, that's all for today. So yeah, that's pretty much it about today's vlog. I'm ending this vlog now. I hope you enjoyed my quick shopping and Friendships Day celebration. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this vlog, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. I shall see you all really soon with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.